All right, as you guys can see, we are no longer in the United States. After a full day of traveling, we have made it to Mexico, where we're going to be fishing for Tarpon, Snook, Tenguayaca, I think I'm pronouncing that right, for the next 5 days. Everything got here, the camera bag made it. I'm super excited. All right, good morning. It is day one. The alarm went off at about 4:55 this morning, and we are here for day one. It was a full moon last night, and we went to bed just before midnight. I think is probably when the light went off, so I'm super excited to be here today. You won't see me usually this excited to do something this early in the morning, but filming and fishing for these tarpon is probably one of the most fun activities I've ever done in my entire life. I love to film. And I love to fly fish, so to be able to combine the two all day, every day for like 5 days does not get any better for me than this, and I'm super excited. So right now we're going to start with some breakfast. We've got Gabrielle who's in there cooking for us, and we're going to get out on the water, I think between like 6 and 7-ish. We are here. This is where we start the day.
By the edges. Numero uno.
We're on the board. We're on the board.
Size of those eyes. Amazing. Heck yeah. Cool.
Wow, I was even recording. Is that a snook? I think so.
I think so. Oh yeah. Don't lose that. That's a good one too.
Well, oh yeah. Yeah, that's a good fish.
Oh, that's a beauty. Bring him over this way. Oh yeah. Super good fish.
Yeah.
That's what we're talking about. We're gonna go back and run that pass again.
Wow.
That's the fish of the day right there.
Woo! Oh, that's fun. And just like that, the first 5 hours where I didn't get a bite are all worth it. Oh yeah. Wow. Look at that. Wow, that's a cool color. Look at it. Wow. Look at that fish. Wow. There he goes. That was like knee deep. It looked terrible. Alright, here's the first fish of the day. And my biggest
Fish in the boat, yeah.
my biggest tarpon yet. This trip anyways. Well, Tenguayaca. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed part 1 of the 2-part series. Part 2 is going to come out next week, and the fishing for the next 2 days was absolutely incredible.